Hi everyone, this is the fourth video of M365 series. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most essential areas of M365 administration, which is user management. Whether you are an IT admin or just getting started, understanding how to manage active users, deleted user, and guest users is critical for security, productivity, and compliance. So in this particular section, you can see the active users, guest users, and deleted users tab. Here you can see how the dashboard will look when you manage your users. And then there's a deep and dive details related to active users where you can use this particular section to add user, reset password, add user details, assign roles, block, unblock sign in and usage reports, and many more. In next section, you can see other tabs that is available under the same section, which is devices, account, mail, fund drive, and licenses and apps, which you can use for the user management. In this particular section, you can see the guest users and deleted users. Using that, you can restore user, permanently delete user, resolve conflicts, and audit logs. You can also check under the particular section. And for the deleted user and for the guest user, you can use this particular section for external collaborators. You can invite or access other teams, SharePoint, or other M365 resources. Admin action, you can add or remove guest. Security controls, for example, MFA, domain restriction, and access expiration policy apply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. We appreciate your time. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.